In one of our previous lessons, we discussed powers and roots of numbers. In this lesson, we are going to be discussing squares of positive whole numbers. Examples. One, find the value of 6 square. Find the value of 6 square. Solution. 6 square. 6 square is the same thing as what? 6 times 6. And this will give us what? 36. That's the answer. The second question. Find the square of Find the square of 9. Solution. Square of 9. We asked to find the square of 9. So this is same thing as what? 9 times 9. So in this case, 9 times 9, that's what? 81. That's the answer.